Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with essential prep and the first cut. Power the iPad off, strap on an ESD wristband, and remove any trays. Apply steady heat to the bezel, aim for 80 to 90 degrees Celsius, so the adhesive loosens. Once warm, use a suction cup and a thin plastic pick to lift the glass slightly. Make small, slow pries around the perimeter. Do not yank. You're separating adhesive, not breaking glass, so keep the pick shallow and work methodically until a gap opens. Once you have an opening, you move to the middle steps. Hinge the screen up like a book from the long edge and prop it safely. Do not hinge past 90 degrees. Remove visible bracket screws with a P2 driver and lay screws in an organized tray so lengths stay tracked. Now, find the digitizer and LCD flex cables. Use a plastic spudger to lift each ZIF latch and slide the connectors out. Work slowly. These connectors are fragile. Then fully separate the display assembly. Final steps: warm any remaining adhesive and gently delaminate the LCD from the frame using thin picks. Support the LCD so it doesn't bend. Inspect metal shields and cable routing. Make sure no tape or screws are missing. Then transfer brackets and replace pre-cut adhesive strips on the frame. Reconnect flexes in reverse order, close the ZIF latches, and test before sealing. If the screen won't power, recheck each connector and screw locations, and test continuity on the flex. Common errors are misaligned connectors or a pinched cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.